Hey, hi everyone. I'm going to demonstrate a simple QuickStack application. This app is built using Flutter for the front end and utilizes Back4App for backend functionalities, including user authentication and data storage. Let's dive into the code and explore how it is implemented. So first, we have to create an application, backend application on Back4App. So as you can see, currently we have two tables, user, which will hold the user details, which we are going to register, and and we have a table tasks. So where we are going to store the details about the task which we had created in our quick stack application. So let's go to the code. So here we have four classes. Main dot dot is the main class. From here, we are going to call login page. So this will contain the login screen details. And for connecting with backend 4 app, we have one method login with back 4 app, which help us to log in on using the back 4 app data. Now we have another class which is sign up screen. So here we will have the sign up screen UI, and also like we have the code which will register a user. So now comes to home screen. This class basically manages like creating the task, updating the task, and also deleting the task. So all feature contains in this classes. So now we will come to dependencies which we need here. So first we need to add Kubernetes icons and also pass server SDK Flutter and get HTTP. So this is a dependency we need to import here. Now let's run this code. We will use Flutter run and we will run it in Chrome browser. So now it is launching. So as you can see, currently we don't have any user here. If I will refresh also, you will able to see that we don't have any user present in this now. So you can see it is completely empty. So once our application is built and launched, then we will register first. So as you can see, our application is launched here. So this is our login page. So currently we don't have any user. If I will try to use any user, so it will throw an error. Let me give something here. Login. So in valid credential, please check your email and password because there is no user created yet or registered yet. So and also we added some validation. For example, if I will try to do this, so this email is not in the correct format. That's why it is telling please enter a valid email address. So now we don't have any user added yet, registered yet. Then we will go to the sign up page and we will register here. So we need a name and then email ID and password. So here also we have validations. If we are not giving the correct format of a email ID, then it will show some validation errors here. Now let's sign up. So you can see registration successfully. Now we have to log in. using that email ID which user had used to register. So I am using, so you can see now we logged in to our home page, or you can see the task page. Now I will show you, I will refresh this table. Now you can see we have one user here and we added this email vishal@gmail.com, and see it is created today. So now you can see we don't have any task. So let's create the task. Uh, let's give some description here. Now we are going to select date. So like we can take as a 4 as a submission date. Now you can see it button name changed. Now it is telling that selected date is 2024 12 and 4. So now we can add this task. So now you can see this task is added and not yet completed. So that's why it is giving this exclamation mark. Now let's come to Back4App and see like we created a new task. Is it visible or not? So you can see now we have the task and that we given this title now assignment submission, and we also added the description. Now you can see the done is marks as false because you can see it is not yet completed yet. So when we will click on this checkbox, then you can see it is marked as completed. Now we will come to our Back4App and we will refresh it. So you will observe that it is become true. Now if you want to delete this task, so let's click on this delete icon and then again come to Back4App and refresh it. Now you can observe there is no task because we deleted the task. And in user we have one user, and also you will observe like when we logged in, so one session is created here. So we have some expire time, like when this session is going to be expired. So these are the details which this session table will hold. Now let's come to the UI, and we also have a logout button. So once you will click on the logout, it will logged out you and you will able to come on this login page again. So this is my simple QuickStack application using Flutter. So thanks for watching this QuickStack demo. If you found it helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for some app development content. Drop your questions or ideas in the comments. I would love to hear from you. See you in the next video, and happy coding.